Birds are singing. It is time for Keeping It Real Fun collab. Hello everyone, welcome back. I am so happy it is another Keeping It Real Fun collab, and I'm happy that you're here watching. I appreciate it very much. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. It would be nice if you would go visit them and see what they have created. Our theme idea for this May collab was brought to us by LEANNA Dalton. Please check her channel out. She's part of the group and she does some really cool stuff on her channel. Thanks LEANNA for taking us way back and bringing us into the past so we can see our future. Thanks for the theme. Our theme for May Keeping It Real Fun collab is Vintage Hollywood Glamour. Hollywood Glamour was all about the glitz and glamour. I picked someone for the glitz and glamour, and for this theme I'm going to create an eye look as close to what she used to wear when she was in the limelight. I hope I do her a lot of justice because she was a beautiful soul. I don't have much information because every time you go on Google tend to change. Google tend to change all their stuff. So I'm just going to create a look that I saw on Google. I'm making sure this black need to be very light. So, but all the ladies' looks will be different. They will all be picking a different person for that theme. It's always fun to see what they come up with. I would appreciate very much if you go check what they created because I know without a doubt they have created something magical. So after watching my video, head on over and go check and see what they create. Hollywood glitz and glamour, vintage Hollywood. I'm putting a matte black on my eyes, on my lids, and towards my crease. The woman that I picked to do the eye makeup look, she was born December 19th, 1924. She was born in New York City. Now I'm just taking that same brush with no product on it and I'm just going a little higher so the black can be above my crease, and as you can see, the higher I go, the lighter it gets. So no more product because I don't want up there to be too dark, so I'm just spreading it by dabbing on it and going a little higher. If you notice, this is darker. The higher I go, the lighter it gets, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that shade. No extra product, just a silhouette of the black. See this eye compared to this eye. No more product, just going to work with what I already have to create the silhouette for the black. And I just go where it's darkest and then head back to where there is not a lot, so I can create that. And that is what I am creating. There is always a tip or an inspirational word or an encouraging word in my videos. So always check the complete video because I'm always trying to uplift us. Our days are not always sunny shine. There's sometimes rain, there's sometimes heavy black clouds, sometimes the clouds are gray, but it's not always sunny. So in my video there is usually a tip, encouraging word or motivational word. So see, this is what I did without extra product, from dark to light, just to shade this part of my eyes because I have a lot of real estate right here. So this is my first color. The person I am creating this makeup look like or close to is Cicely Tyson. Cicely Tyson worked for over 7 decades in television, film, and theater. I'm using a second matte color in the outer corner. Cicely Tyson was best known in the movie back in 1972 called Sonder. Keeping it real fun, have a birthday in this month, and that birthday is Jackie. Her birthday will be on May 24th. So Jackie, happy birthday in advance. I pray that it brings you a lot of everything good that you ask for. I am going to use my third color, which is a shimmer, in the inner corner of my eye. The Hollywood glitz and glamour was between the year 1920 to the 1960s. Vintage Hollywood glitz and glamour. During that era, diamonds and pearls were the big jewelry theme for the glitz and glamour that was going on. It was diamonds and pearls. As I do my blush, I will continue with the rest of the information that I got on Google. All the information that I am giving you, I got it from Google. From 1930 to 1940 was the most glamorous during that time. So those 2 years were the biggest out of the vintage glamour Hollywood. Cicely Tyson won 3 Emmy Awards, a Screen Actors Guild Award, a Tony, a Peabody, and the Honorary Academy Award. Cicely Tyson had all of those. You can Google Cicely Tyson and see more information on her. Don't go away because I am going to mention a few of the vintage Hollywood glamour blacks. Some of the black Hollywood glamour, the names I'm gonna call, back in the day, they were considered the black Hollywood glamour. And Dorothy Dandridge, Lena Horne, Eartha Kitt, Ella Fitzgerald, Nina Simone, Aretha Franklin, Etta James, Diane Carroll, Pearl Bailey, Josephine Baker, Nichelle Nichols, Hazel Scott, Nina Mae McKinney, Hattie McDaniel, Ethel Waters. That's just to name a few. I had to dig a little deep into Google to find those names, but these are some of the Black Hollywood glamour. Just to name a few Hollywood glamour, and this is my look. I am doing a Cicely Tyson makeup look for vintage Hollywood glamour with the group Keeping It Real Fun collab. Tell me in the comments if I nailed Cicely Tyson look and what I could have done differently. Vintage Hollywood glamour. I choose Cicely Tyson. Remember, all the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, the information is in my description box. Click on the link, go see who they created. I can't wait to see who they pick. I just wanted to do Black Hollywood glamour. That is all I was, and Cicely Tyson kept calling my name. And it just happened this morning. I had a list. The list that I read to you, I was gonna pick somebody, and then this morning Cicely Tyson came to mind. So I decided I'll do one of Cicely Tyson's makeup look. Again, remember, you are first and you are powerful in your own special way. I will see you in another video soon. And again, until I see you again, keep enjoying life and stay fabulous. Google some of the names that you heard. Check and see what they look like back in their day and in their time and what they did. Cicely Tyson died at the age of 96 on January 28, 2021. I will see you again soon. Bye.